Hi everyone! I put together a Valentine's Day cheese and meat board for a little Galentine's gathering I had, and I wanted to share it with you guys. For today's board, my local cheese shop had some cute accompaniments like Spanish corn nuts, some Valentine's Day chocolate, jam, some cookies. Of course, I also picked up some cured meats and cheese. I wanted to make sure I had a good variety of cheese, so I selected a soft cheese, a semi-hard cheese, and a harder cheese, and I also made sure I had a variety of milk types. With my first cheese, I went ahead and cut off the rind on one end, and I just worked my knife down and cut triangle pieces all the way through. You can use a bigger knife, but I just got this cheese knife and I thought it was cute, but honestly, use a bigger knife. Next up we have Lemieux's signature Gouda, and I really enjoy this aged Gouda because it has really nice notes of caramel, but also has those crunchy crystal bits that everyone enjoys. And with this cheese, it adds a nice pop of color to your board with the orange, and you'll just cut off the rind and chunk them the way I am, and you can stack them to give your board a little bit of height as well. Lastly, I picked out a soft and creamy bloomy rind cheese that's been washed in wine that will pair nicely with my jam. I love this pack of salami from Coro because it includes a classic flavor and a fun and tasty mole flavor you don't usually find on boards. They are a smaller format, so I had to play around with the placement a bit. I can't quite shape them the way I'd like because they're already pretty small, but I decided to fold them in half and shingle them and then layer out the other half. Now that we're done with the cheese and meats, let's place the rest of the items. I'm just breaking up my chocolate into bite-sized pieces. And then I placed my jam jar on there as a point of reference, and I just built around it. Some heart-shaped cookies, cause Valentine's Day, you know, you need some hearts on there. Of course, I got some vibrant strawberries for the board, and I just cut some in half and I left some whole. I also got blueberries to fill in some of the smaller spaces. And last but certainly not least are these Spanish Kikos, which are basically like corn nuts, super delicious, really easy to snack on, and they just add a really nice crunch to the board. And that's it. You can definitely add some sprigs of rosemary or thyme or some flowers or even like basil or mint, but I didn't have any, so this is the finished product. I hope this was helpful or gave you guys some ideas for your own boards. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. I know I haven't been posting much, but I'm working on it. So see you guys next time.